So, you've got a partner, and you're both excited about using an app to take control of your finances. But here's the burning question: can two people really use an app together? And if so, how do you make it work? Let's dive in. Understanding the basics. Before we tackle the two-person in-app challenge, let's quickly recap what an app is all about. An app, or You Need a Budget, is a budgeting app that helps you track your income and expenses. It's based on a zero-based budgeting method, meaning you allocate every dollar of your income to a specific category. Why bother with two-person in-app? Now, why would you want to use an app together? Well, there are a few solid reasons. Shared financial goals. Whether it's saving for a house, a vacation, or retirement, a shared budget can help you work towards these goals together. Increased accountability. Knowing that someone else is looking at your spending habits can be a powerful motivator to stay on track. Transparent communication. An app can open up conversations about money, which can often be a sensitive topic. By using a shared budget, you can discuss your financial situation openly and honestly. Making two-person in-app work. So, how do you make two-person in-app a reality? Here are a few tips. Choose a budgeting method. Decide on a budgeting method that works for both of you. Some couples prefer to divide expenses evenly, while others prefer to allocate funds based on each person's income or spending habits. Set clear expectations. Before you start using an app together, have a conversation about your financial goals and expectations. Discuss how you'll handle shared expenses, how often you'll review the budget, and how you'll resolve disagreements. Embrace technology. An app offers a variety of features that can make it easier to manage your finances together. You can set up shared accounts, track joint expenses, and even set up automated transfers. Communicate regularly. Regular communication is key to making two-person in-app work. Schedule regular budget check-ins to discuss your progress, adjust your spending plan as needed, and celebrate your successes. Be patient and flexible. Remember that it takes time to adjust to a new budgeting method. Be patient with each other and be willing to make adjustments as needed. Common pitfalls and how to avoid them. While two-person in-app can be a powerful tool, it's important to be aware of some common pitfalls. Overspending. It's easy to overspend when you're sharing a budget. To avoid this, set realistic spending limits for each category and stick to them. Disagreements. Disagreements about money are common, but it's important to handle them calmly and respectfully. Find a way to compromise and move forward. Lack of communication. Poor communication can lead to resentment and frustration. Make sure to communicate openly and honestly about your financial situation. Two-person in-app can be a game changer for couples who want to take control of their finances. By following these tips and being patient and flexible, you can make it work. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.